finally, the Samsung Galaxy S21 is going to come in the market. Samsung's next flagship smartphone lineup, the Galaxy S21 series, will launch globally on January 14th. The data was revealed by Samsung's largest mobile experience store in India, and it was also confirmed the date with a company official at Samsung's local offices. Although some websites report this as the global launch date, Samsung headquarters has yet to confirm it, and in response to questions from few reporters said that it does not comment on rumor or speculation. Although January launch is earlier than the February unpacked events we have become accustomed to in recent years, this isn't the first time this date has been rumored. Earlier this week, a website reported a January 14th based on its own sources. The phones will reportedly go on sale on January 29th in India, according to employees at Samsung's Opera House outlet in Bengaluru. The store is taking pre-orders for 3 upcoming headsets: the Galaxy S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra, with around $27 in deposit. Full pricing for the lineup is yet to be announced. Along with confirming the launch plans, the new report from a website has also revealed some of the upcoming handset specs. They will apparently be powered by Samsung's Adsense 2100 processor in India, and the 3 models will be available in the following color: gray, pink, purple, and white for the S21. Pink, purple, silver, and black for the S21 Plus, and black and silver for the S21 Ultra. A website report says the S20 Ultra will have a 108 megapixel main sensor alongside 2 additional 10 megapixel sensor, one of which have a 10x optical zoom, and that's a great number for the upcoming S21. The later reports also said that it adds to host of leaked details about the new handsets. Earlier this week, we got an early look at the phones through a series of leaked teaser trailers which show off their redesigned camera bumps. The trailers appear to confirm that S21 Ultra will have a total of 5 cameras compared to 3 on the S21 and S21 Plus. The trailers followed a report in November which said that each of the phones will come with 120Hz display and will have screens ranging from 6.2 to 6.8 inches in size. Internally, they will reportedly have batteries ranging in size from 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh and will be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 888 processor in regions that don't use Samsung's own processors. The S21 Ultra is also expected to be compatible with the Samsung's S Pen, which is important considering the rumors that the stylus-equipped Note lineup is being discontinued. So if you have any idea about the upcoming S21, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will see you on the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.